In the next few minutes I'll be showing you how to configure and use the FileBound Connect plugin for Office. This is assuming you already have installed FileBound Connect. For more information on FileBound Connect, take a look through the playlist on the FileBound Australia YouTube channel. One of the great features of FileBound Connect is the ability to extract data from FileBound right into Excel. This saves having to log into FileBound, running a search, exporting the data, and then opening the downloaded file. For the plugin to work in Excel, the first thing we need to do after installing FileBound Connect is configure the plugin. This is done by opening Excel, the window on the left, and clicking on the new FileBound button at the top. Next we'll need to click on Configure. As my plugin has been configured previously, you can see I already have a URL entered. However, to help you out, we'll go right through the process anyway. What we'll need to do is copy the URL of our FileBound site. Then back on the plugin pop-up, we can click on the ellipsis, paste the previously copied URL and enter our login credentials. It's important to note that the credentials used will determine the security applied to the plugin. Now that we have FileBound Connect configured, we can go and run a search by clicking on the search icon in the ribbon. This expands the search pane, where we can choose the project we'd like to search, just as if we were logged into FileBound. At this point, I should note that I have FileBound open on the right, purely for demonstrative purposes. You'll note the fields that have appeared match those of the selected project in the FileBound interface. I'll now run a search in both windows for everything in this AP invoice project. We can see there are 18 files in this project in the FileBound interface and 19 rows that have exported to Excel. Less a header row equals 18 records. Now what I want to do is filter my search and only show invoices that haven't been finalised in the AP demonstration process, which would effectively show all active invoices. I can do this by applying a wildcard search using the exclamation mark at the front of the search term. In this case, any result that has a status beginning with exported will be excluded from the results. Here we can see there are 13 results in each output, once again taking into account the header row. So now we've closed the FileBound window, as you don't need it open to run the FileBound Connect Office plugin. This demonstrates how we'd normally use FileBound Connect. I'd like to run the same search for all invoices that haven't been exported. So we click on the FileBound button and then on Search. We then choose the desired project, enter the relevant search criteria and click Search at the bottom. It's that easy. Now that we have the data in Excel, we can do whatever we please. For example, let's auto-sum the total Inc GST column. We can sort the data by status to give us an overview of where invoices are in the process. So in the last few minutes, we've seen how simple and easy the FileBound Connect plugin is to configure and use, and how it seamlessly integrates with Excel. We also saw how easy it is to extract file data from FileBound. One additional benefit to using the Excel plugin is the ability to extract FileBound report data, which also includes any custom reports.